Hello, I'm Karen Cullings, Executive Director for the Dauphin County Library System, and with me today is David Morrison, Executive Director of the Historic Harrisburg Association. We're delighted to be here today to recognize HHA's contribution to the Your Place to Belong campaign, but also to thank them for a tremendous partnership. They've helped with the project from the word go, connecting us with specialists in window preservation, other events, and just generally being a terrific partner in making sure that we use this project to bring our history alive here in Harrisburg and connect the community.
Thank you, Karen, very much. Historic Harrisburg is thrilled to be part of this because we totally applaud and support everything the library has been doing in downtown Harrisburg for a century next door at McCormick Riverfront Library, and then by expanding into this 200-year-old landmark on Governor's Row. It'll be great. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, David. Really appreciate the support and hope this is just another milepost in a long and fruitful collaboration. You can find out more about the Your Place to Belong project and campaign at yourplacetobelong.org.